CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Megha Shri Roy, ka Samla Pule jong ka St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Laim Crash Along, ka balayo ya ka kerdan ka beningkong ha ka top 10, jong ka Eksamin Higher Secondary School Living Certificate ha ka Art Stream, ha ka jingpen mana result, da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education ha ka Sauterik Ujemang Arjar Punrio, kalapan pau bakan Bteng ya ka jingpuli ha ka subject Political Science, kum ka honor subject, but menta kadang apply ban yo seat ha Delhi University. Ha kajiakran bar kilat patay kubor ka Megha Shri Roy kabasa Hamadan Laban Shillong kalapan pau ya ka jing angnut ban Ïakhun ya ka Eksamin Upsc bat ban pas ya ka ne ka Eksamin khnang ban long ka Ophisar IAS.
It was very unexpected. So yes, I'm in shock still now, but I'm happy about it. I was mainly focused on active studying, that is rehearsing after I studied. Suppose I studied a chapter, then I would actually give a mock test, and that would actually help me understand how much I've learned the subject, and it is very helpful in scoring good marks. A minimum of 2 hours. That's all. I'm preparing for CUT currently, and I hope to get admission into the Delhi University, and I want to pursue BA in political science. I aim to crack UPSC and become a civil servant. Well, I knew that I would get a position because I really prepared hard and I studied hard, but I never expected first position. But I feel like it's possible for everyone to actually score good marks by just focusing on what you're studying, not just reading reading the text without understanding the context of it. You should actually go in depth of the chapters and understand the meaning of it, because just by harding everything will not give you a good rank or good result. You need to understand, and plus you need to also really ask the teachers, because the teachers are our best guiders, and you should actually put a step forward and ask the teachers if you have any doubts or queries, instead of just sitting by yourself and figuring out all your by yourself. Instead of that, you should actually approach the teachers and ask questions related to your studies. That's how I actually got a good score, because I would always approach the teachers if I had any doubt. Plus, you should also use resources, since our textbooks are most of the textbooks are converted into NCERT. We should actually refer to the previous year CBSE questions, and that is also very helpful. Every day, because I need to assess the online resources, the question papers, and other things as well, such as if I had any doubt, if I want to increase my vocabulary and I want to form a better word, then I obviously use ChatGPT. It's all okay to use AI. It's just you need to use it in a mindful manner instead of just using it for stupid reasons. I would actually give credit to myself. I always motivate myself every morning. I tell myself that I can do it and that I can actually achieve whatever I want. So it's all in yourself. You need to believe in yourself first before it actually happens. It all starts within yourself. For guidebooks, basically the books are your everything. It's your Bible. You need to read your books very well. Plus, the only thing which you need to focus other from your books is the previous year's questions. That is all you need, and if you prepare those well, then you can easily ace the exams. The one of the quotes that I always refer to in every aspect of my life is that if you ask God for to win a race, He will give you a pair of shoes, not a gold medal. So God already give you the brain and the knowledge which you already need. God already provided you with all the resources. It's just that you need to imply those resources in the correct manner.
And I was Megha Shree's class teacher. She is a very hardworking student, and right from the beginning, she has always been consistent with her performance, be it the unit test or the pre-selection or the selection, and very humble and down to earth, respectful also. but very hardworking. Uh, I'm extremely happy actually with the results. Never expected that our school will come first in the list. So this is the first time in the history of the school that we had topped the list in arts. So I'm very happy, and happy also that all the other students, they have done very well. For the next batch, my message would be to work hard, to be consistent in their performances, and to give their best no matter what. Marks and grades, they are important, but what matters most is how much they prepare, and how well they do in life. My message for Meghashri would be to always give your best, to always believe in yourself, and to never lose hope and never be discouraged whenever you go through any kind of challenges in life. So, my best wishes to you, all the very best in your future endeavors.
Achieved by our students this year. The success is the fruit of consistent hard work, discipline, and the strong commitment of our teachers and the students. While we take pride in the outstanding positions secured, we celebrate not only ranks but the success of every individual according to their own caliber and potential. Each student's journey is unique, and every sincere effort deserves recognition. These results truly reflect our vision of nurturing not just achievers, but confident and value-oriented individuals. We thank God for His abundant blessings and extend our heartfelt congratulations to all our students who have made us proud. To our present students, I would like to say, let these achievements inspire you. Success is not merely about reaching the top, but about striving to become the best of yourself. Stay focused, work consistently, and believe in your abilities. Challenges will come, but they are opportunities to grow stronger. Remember, true success lies not only in marks, but in developing integrity, compassion, and responsibility. Continue to aim high and give your best in all that you do. I wish all our students once again congratulations and a bright future filled with hope. Thank you.
Pidan dukan marbam, ndey. Compare like a barid, kaba pidi harut surok, ni kabahe, kum ki restaurant, bat kiway, ni pishat roti, shat cake, bat kiway, nakabenta ka koy kakya, jongi pat ba, nong bam nong di. Pat ba pinyo ka jingshanya, naki, pidan kam bandon deka license, kabapaka, kabala itu dakaan, kata, ka Food Safety and Standards Act, arajar henril, link back section, lai Pule, iwe. Kamde ka ba bapinyo ka license, pila ba na-apply ka online, link back website, foscas.fssai.gov.in, daga ba pihap pan-upload ru, ikikot kisla badan kam, katkum kajajing kam, jong pi. Pila ru banyak kendo, iki designated officers lani food safety officers, kebadan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habarok ke district kebadan hamigalaya, latno tang ha is kasihers. Pila banlet bed chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety kebadan halowa lachumya. Nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan Rashapi, daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakirshan, daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
The competition jungi kam jude hi katach lane kam kodyat madiat, they are never our competition. Competition jungi kidai mangi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mangisak suddenly ki email pa jung apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house lan ka homestay kan por bangi penkala ngi ai kerteng ka orange homestay kingi sedang sya no ka 4 rooms tang ba no ka 4 rooms ni sotho ba ma nomor ngi dang kam shu ki rooms ke ngi la ban expand na kadau ka floor jong ki torres kila sedang bod hading ngin sala ban expand jo room at current ngi dan khasan Habawan kum kini kita kum mga ngonong mo mga Pule for Institute of Hotel Management. Kum kini ki big companies bawan shini kolong big opportunities hingi ki yun bangin yo company. How jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar mo ha bangin la dak Pule. Tingi jaka bangin tap shabar ngi la yo ban tap ak state la jong. Ki tourist ki long la ka jong ka segment mo. Uba kambet kambiang oleh sa he'll go for touch. Lane who want that luxury experience oleh touch. Budget travelers kilai hakim hotel. Tekidan ki middle class ki kuat ban sa ha pem kini ki instay ki. Tang kata hang la ban kata bekam dan jing thot iro yang ni. Ngai baka acknowledge tot ya barok homestays owners lane ki instay lane kiwai ki bentaro. Recently ngadang show receive kawai ka award ma katin ba ka gold award jang katu sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka Tekan ka ni kawai company ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lo dia borok ka trahi ban promote lo dia borok